Hi friends, this is day 5, chapter quadratic equation, 10 CBSE. Today we will continue our exercise, which is 4.3 exercise. And if I talk about this exercise, so this exercise is totally based on quadratic equation. In this exercise, we will form an equation by given condition, and then we will solve by any kind of method. After solving this, whatever is answer, that will be required. So before starting this class, first of all, press the bell icon if it's not done, and subscribe this channel. And second thing, attendance, put your attendance, and then we will start the class. I am waiting, just do it fast, then we will continue our class. Okay, so I am taking 4.3 exercise, question number 6. 5 yesterday we did. Exercise 4.3, 6th. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meter more than the shorter side. So I don't know what is the shorter side. So let shorter side be x meter. So length of the diagonal is x plus 60, because that is written 60 meter more than the shorter. So this is diagonal, and longer side will be, there is given in this situation, there is 30 meter more than the shorter side. So shorter side is x and 30 meter will be more. So it is rectangular field. If I talk about the rectangular field, so suppose this is the figure, this is the diagonal, so there will be 90, shorter is x, longer is x plus 30, and this is x plus 60. So we can use in this Pythagoras formula. By Pythagoras theorem, diagonal square equals to shorter side, it's a square, plus longer side is square. So diagonal is x plus 60 and shorter side is x square plus longer side, which is x plus 30. If I open this, so this is x square plus 120x plus 3600. This is x square, it is also x square plus 60x plus 900. Square of 30 is 900. So x square will be cancel each other. There will be 0. X square plus 60x plus 900 minus 120x and minus 3600. If we solve, so we got x square, 60 and minus 120 will be negative 60x, and if I talk about their subtraction, so there will be minus 2700. 60 we can factorize, and we need 27, and we can say 90 and 30, their product is 2700, and if you subtract 90 minus 30, so there will be 60. So I will write this form: x square minus 90 minus 30 into x minus 2700. Let's solve here. So x square minus 90x plus 30x and minus 2700 equals to 0. First two terms, there will be x common, so x minus 90 is left, plus 30 common, so x minus 90 is left. Now x minus 90 and x plus 30. If we find, so x minus 90 equals to 0, x plus 30 equals to 0, so x equals to 90 meter, and there is x equals to minus 30 meter. So shorter side will be 90, and longer side, which is 30 meter extra. So 90 plus 30 is 120 meter. Please write down. These are the answers. 120 meter and 90 meter. Now I will erase this. Next, it's question number 7. The difference of square of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Let larger number is x. Larger number I took x. So there is, according to question, smaller number I can take 5. So according to given condition, there is given square differences. So according to question, x square minus y square equals to 180, because difference is given 180. And one more thing is given. Thing is that square of smaller number, which is y square, that is 8 times the larger. 8 times the larger number. This is the equation 2. If we apply this in first, so from equation 1 and 2. So as we know that it was given difference. So x is the larger one, so larger one is square and smaller one is square. Their difference is 180. On the place of this y square, we can apply this, and we will get x square minus 8x and minus 180 we can shift. So it will be negative. Now we need 180 and this is 8. So 180, we can say 16, 9, there will be 18 5s. But their difference is different. It's not coming like this. So what to do in this? Let us see. Because 180 we need, so 180 we factorize. If we factorize by 2, so there will be 90. If 2, then 45. 3, then 15. Again 3, then we get 5. So we need 8, and there are many. So how to get 8? If we observe 15 and there is 12, not possible. 9 2s are 18, 18 and 15, not possible. So we are unable to factorize right now properly. We should think about it. 180 pairs. So 3 5 to the 10, and there is 9 to the 18, 10 and 18. Correct. 10 and 18. So x square minus 10 plus minus 8. -10. There will be. If we subtract, 8 will be there. If we multiply, so 180 will be there. So, because this is 9 and 9 2s are 18, and this is, so 9 and 18 and 10 will be there. So x square minus 18x positive 10x minus 180. If we take common x, so x minus 18. If we take 10, so x minus 18, and then x minus 18 and x plus 10 will be left. So we will get x equals to positive 18, x equals to negative 10. So 18 we got, that is value of x, and that is larger number. So larger number is 18. If we are finding a smaller number, to find out the smaller, we should try the square of that. Then we can say square root of 8 times of larger. If we multiply 8 into 18, which is called 144, so it will be 12. So we got this, that is 18, smaller one is 12. This is the answer. Please write it down. Now I am erasing this. Next question. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. So in 8th question, distance traveled by train that is given 360 km. There is given, so suppose we can say that speed of the train is x kilometer per hour. So time will be t1, that is speed, distance upon speed, 360 upon x hours. It is the time. According to given condition, if we add speed 5 km per hour more, so time will be 1 hour less. It means if we raise 5 km per hour more train's speed, so time T2 will be 360 upon x plus 5, because 5 km per hour we have raised the speed. So according to question, T2 minus T1 is 1. It means whatever is new time, sorry, T1 minus T2. So that was 360 upon x, and this is 360 upon x plus 5 equals to 1. Now this question we will solve. First of all, we will form an equation, then that we will solve. So first of all, form an equation. LCM will be x into x plus 5. If we divide this by x, we will get x plus 5. So this 360 we will multiply to x plus 5 minus this divide, so x is left, so we will get 360x. So 360x plus their product, so 36 and 5 0 and 5 3 is 15 plus 3 is 18, so 1800 will be there. This is negative 360x and this will be multiplied, so x square plus 5x is left. If we divide this 360x and 360x, it will be cancelled, and there is 1800 equals to x square plus 5x. So here we will form this equation, that is x square plus 5x minus 1800. This is the term that we will solve by a method, that is quadratic formula. My a is 1, b is 5 and c is minus 1800. If I talk about discriminant, so my discriminant is b square minus 4ac. b is 5, x square minus 4 into 1 into 1800. 5 square is 25. If we multiply, so minus minus plus, and 18 2s are 36 and 4s are 72. So we got 7225. We will find out what is the square root of it. Let's apply for formula, that is minus b plus minus square root of d upon 2a. So minus b, it means minus 5, plus minus 7225 upon 2 into 1. Minus 5 plus minus. As we know that this is 7225. If we see 85 square, because 5 5 are 25, 2 will be there, and 40 then 42 and 40, so 64 and 4, there will be 68, and we will get 7225. So on the place of this, we can write 85 upon 2. Now first time we will take positive, so minus 5 plus 85 upon 2. So in this situation there will be 80 upon 2, which is called 40 kilometer, per hour. If we take negative, so minus 5 and minus 85, there will be minus 90 upon 2, it will be minus 45 kilometer per hour. So speed is not negative, that's why positive 45 kilometer per hour we can take. Please do it fast. This is the answer. So positive we can take 40 km per hour because negative speed is not there. So we will write only 40 km per hour. That is the speed of the train. So the speed of the train is 40 km per hour. Now I will take next question, which is question number 9. That is also very good question. Now I am erasing this. Question number 9 is that two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 and 3/8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. So I'll assume let time taken by smaller tap, that is X hours. If I take then time taken by larger tap, which is X, I think we should exchange these. There is written the larger diameter takes 10 or less. So whatever time is taken by this, we will subtract. Because less is written, we will subtract 10 hours. And total time taken by both the taps is 9 hours 3/8. That can be written 75/8 hours. So according to question, tank filled by smaller tap plus larger tap equals to filled part in 1 hour. So we are talking for 1 hour. So if 1 hour, so total time taken by it is X. So in 1 hour it takes 1/X portion will be filled. that 1 upon x minus 10 portion will be filled, and that 8 upon 75 will be. Reciprocal of them we have to take. If we take LCM, so x into x minus 10 will be LCM. If we divide this by this, we will get x minus 10, and there will be x. Now we can solve x and x, there will be 2x. Two x minus 10 into 75 and 8 into x square minus 10x. If we multiply, so there will be 150x. This is 750. This is 8x square and 80x. All things we can shift other side. So this is 0. 8x square minus 80x minus 150x minus 750. Now we can solve this one. So we will get 8x square minus minus plus, and their sum will be 230 x, and minus 750 becomes positive. So it is divisible by 2. If I divide by 2, there will be 4x square. This is 115x, and it's half. So 2 3s are 6, 7s are 14, and there will be 5. And this we can solve by any method, then we can get answers. So this much is your portion, that is your homework that you can do. Remember this equation you have to solve in homework. Do it fast. Now rest questions I'll provide. Homework for this. Similarly, question number 10 and 11 also I'll form an equation only, then that you can sort out yourself. I am erasing this one. Next question, which is given an express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train. So speed of the passenger train we can take, let speed of the passenger train which is x kilometer per hour, and there is written total distance is 132 kilometer by 2 parts. So distance traveled which is 132 kilometer. According to question, speed of the express train, speed of the express train that is 11 km per hour more. So x plus 11 km per hour we can take. So there is written if the average speed of the train is 11 km per hour, so it takes 1 hour less. So time taken by passenger train which is x km per hour, time taken, so 132 upon x, it's not visible, upon x r, and time taken by express train, that is 132 upon x plus 11. So according to question, it will be 132 upon x minus 132 upon x plus 11 equals to 1 hour. That we can solve and we can form an equation. So today's homework is last question, which is the 11th question of this. Its equation we have to form. Previous question also we have to solve. So this much is the homework. That homework you can do yourself. If you face any problem, then we will discuss in next class. Thank you and have a nice day.